snow and hello everyone, it's Wednesday, 2nd November 2022 and the time right now is 5:45 p.m. in Calgary and the temperature is right now minus 12 degrees Celsius in Calgary. And today it was a massive snowfall in Calgary. So in this video I'm going to show you guys a snowfall walk in downtown Calgary, and let's start the walk. It's a massive snowfall in Calgary from last night, and it's very windy, so it was like all night and today until like afternoon it was snowfall. It was I think is 5 to 7 centimeters snow. It just shows in the weather network though. You can see how much snow still in downtown, even though downtown they clean pretty much very quick. You can see even though on the road the snow is stuck there and it gets black ice because it's minus 12 degree right now. One thing in Calgary is temperature change very suddenly, like a weather change very frequently. One day you can see positive 10 degree and at the night you can see minus 10 degree. Yeah, it's a very like a temperature is fluctuate very frequently. But it's Calgary, we know how to live in Calgary. Sorry, it's getting so bad. And if you like my blog, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe my channel. Also you can support me in super chat, and also you can become a member of my channel, and also you can support me in thanks button. Oh, this is very hard for the old people, so you can see how hard is this for them, and this weather and this snowy icy sidewalk. Oh. Life going on here, yeah. Weather doesn't matter actually. Life is going on here.
This is so hot.
And all the plus 15 network you can see is closed by 7 p.m. I think it should be open until midnight. And whoever lives in downtown, they need to worry about the cleaning snow because downtown, all the people live in downtown in the high-rise apartment building, so they don't have to worry about the cleaning snow, and pretty much all they have indoor heated parking, but you have to pay more than $500 for the parking in the downtown if you want to live in downtown. But if you work in downtown and if you live in downtown, actually you don't need to a car unless you are very like a outgoing person. Whew. It's looks so ugly. All the snow become black. I'm trying to show you guys some neighborhood, like a residential neighborhood in downtown, how it looks like. But I'm far away. Right now I'm in the middle of the downtown. So you can see all the high-rise building is all residential. I think I can go on that side. Guys, I'm walking very slow today. Not slow, like it's very hard to walk fast in this kind of weather. Oh, yeah. Look, it's snow, and snow on the top is yellow leaves topping. still we have some yellow leaves and most of them are naked. This is the 5th Avenue and 6th Street. I'm gonna cross the street. My shoes are full of snow. It's very hard to walk for the long time if the sidewalk is not clean. I'm waiting for the signal. It takes so long time right now. Okay. I don't understand. Should I wait for this side or this side? Oh no, I'm late to decide which side should I go. Today is a very for me it's hard because I cannot show much more area because last night one of my tire got punctured and it's very hard to drive right now, and I did not put my winter tire on, so I don't expect that much snow at least today. Look at this full disaster. people don't want to miss their train because I know how hard it is. Like, if you after work, if you miss one train, I get so disappointed and sad because I can't wait to go home and sleep on my bed. Thank God this side is a little bit clean. Why? The signal is too long. Oh, here it is.
This train, Tuscany. The next 69 spring trains run. Please stand behind the yellow line.
It smells like food. Something is cooking.
This train, 69 spring.
Oh, look at this tree. It looks like some art. Look at this running. Today it seems like so many people walking on downtown.
Yeah, basically. This is where some of those steel boxes are.
I'm going on that side. That's why I have to wait for the signal. Right now I'm the 6th Avenue and 6th Street. No, 4th Street. Sorry. Oh, all the light is on. In downtown you can find some area is very clean. They just clean right away, and some of the area are not. I think I have to go on that side. I don't want to walk anymore. So winter time is the daylight time in Calgary is very short. Whenever you start work in the morning, like I start my work 7 a.m. it was dark. So yeah, and like after in the December month I think it will dark near 4 p.m. I heard that this year Christmas is going to be celebrated in a very large way. Can't wait to see the Christmas. And okay, should I go a little bit far? Let's see what happened in Stephen Avenue.